salapulesa igo kufumba mwana mbwe salapulesa igo kufumba salapulesa. So hi guys, welcome yet again to another episode of Kojalo Simbi's Cooking for Beginners. And today I already did a juicer video, but I had to buy a new one because the other one was faulty, and I thought it was going to rectify me one of these days. But yes, I decided to get myself a new Omega. Dun, dun, dun. I'm so excited, and I'm not really doing juicing to lose weight. It's just a healthy way, and someone said, juicing is an expensive way of eating fruits. But not really, it's its own way of life, and so I got this from Omega Juicers. Meanwhile, I'm not doing for them an ad, but they have really, really quality things. I just hope they see this video and pay me, because I'm trying to get all my people to to start living a healthy way. Juicing helps to detoxify all those GMOs we'd be eating from McDonald's and all those other places. Wait, will McDonald's sue me if I... But you know what? There's so many videos on the internet that say that about their food is not healthy. So, but yeah. So this is the main thing. That's like the motor. It's the one that squeezes the juice out of. These parts. I was going to do a whole thing about explaining all these parts, but just enjoy me. Oh yeah. Imagine kulika egunde, like the main thing is the one that was going to fall. Like there's all these other things I could replace, but that thing I could not. A little comedy for y'all. I've just realized, there's something on my wall, and it's not witchcraft. Guys, it's not witchcraft. And that Coca-Cola in the corner is to actually, and I do not drink soda. I do not drink anything with high fructose corn syrup. The Coca-Cola is for my sink. So the green thing is to wash the juicer. It washes one of the parts of the juicer, and it is so funny how these parts are expensive on their own. Feels like a car. Like they're actually really, really expensive on their own, because I think can be like $38 or more, I believe. So I was still explaining the Coke. It's for my sink. When it clogs up, I just pour it in there. At times it helps. That's how. That's the reason why it's there. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all have survived, and I apologize. I do not post as much. We're in the middle of a pani. I already explained myself. Yeah, that's the thing that almost fell, y'all. This juicer is it was $548 plus taxes, going to like $600. So if that thing fell and broke, what now is there? I don't know, but yes, I'm excited. There's little things that excite me these days. Then I used to buy clothes, and I'm so excited. But right now, oh God, growing up sucks. But yes, someone needs to explain these pieces. All I know is that, like the additions to the juice. I was just unwrapping. This is just an unwrapping video. It's not to explain pieces, yo. But yes, I don't know why I ever showed it off, but it's so hard to clean at times. But juicing needs time. It needs patience. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the journey I'm taking. I eat a lot of junk. Like right now, I'm eating junk. So I need to juice it out with a good celery. Well, I just find myself eating junk. When I'm just eating on the road, I just find myself in like a fast food. Well, I'm not going to be like those people who lie, like blah, 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 blah. I find myself in a fast food and I just can't help it. Because, Yeah. So, where was I? Ta-da, it's almost done. My friend was like, you do not cook, at least show us things that you do that help around in the kitchen. And I think this is one of my first videos of things that help around in the kitchen. Yeah, so making life easier. So yeah, to my Ugandans, I am really, really sorry for what you all are going through. And it is sad. It's a really sad time. I hope change comes through. Because we are tired of running. Yes. Like I said, this is just me unwrapping a new juicer. I'm not explaining nothing, just so you all know that it's a good investment. So yeah. So one of the pieces, okay, the one on the left is a piece where, the fiber that is from the juice goes, then the actual juice goes in the other one on the right. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, me with my beautiful hands. Come on. Salad dancing way. Look at me. Oh my God. I am so proud of myself. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Ra-ta-ta-ta. So this is how my new baby looks like. Yeah. I had to try it, to see if it makes like a noise. Or else I would return it, but So this is a complete set. It is so easy to pile. It took me like 4 minutes, and that is how the cucumber juice comes through, within seconds. I find it easier to use a juicer than a blender, though juicers do not like things with like hard skin, so like things like cholera and beets, I would like to use a blender. So yeah, kajuice keko, as you can see, kajuice keko. Oh well. Thank you for watching. Bye.